বেকা বেকি কয় চাই জানোই কলি জানে খাবা বেকা বেকি কয় চাই জানোই কলি জানে খাবা দিদা দিদিকে কই দিয়া দিদি বলে বুয়া দিদা দিদিকে কই দিয়া দিদি বলে বুয়া বেকা বেকি কয় চাও জানোই নতুয়া চলে রে বেকা বেকি কয় চাও জানোই নতুয়া চলে রে তোমাকে ভালো পাও জানোই মনে মনে তে ওই জানো তোমাকে ভালো পাও জানোই মনে মনে তে বেকা বেকি কয় চাই জানোই কলি
Ôi phang là phang đi for Madam Jasmine thì go Madam Jasmine.
মনে তে বেকা বেকি কয় চাই জানোই কলি জানে খাবা
Ôi jambak gua kudu perlu kamde tapi apa jangan denger.
Hello, yes, you Topiwala, stand up on your seat. Teachers enters, no manners. Your mother father not giving manners. Stupid, you donkey.
Madam, ketia ribedi jahibay.
Speak in English. This is English class, not Sarkari school. This is private school.
Actually, Madam, but you coming in our classroom, we don't know. Hotat you enter buying in our classroom.
Full stop.
Sorry, Madam.
Sorry, English speaking is not a drinking water. English speaking is an international ocean drinking water. Again, time careful. Arabo repeat this behavior, then touch to my finger to your cowline. Then it will print out to your face. Sit down, bloody sweet.
Hap, Madam Leo nai nak pideng kemalai.
You, Mr. Leo. Mother, father, no manners. Teachers talking between you entering in the middle of my mouth. Turn off daddy. Sema sangnaya order nga. What is this? What is this? Who is writing this? Who is writing this? Yesterday, my mommy suddenly barking dogs coming and biting my mommy's eating in Adai. So, who is writing this?
Ma'am, I'm writing this.
You, Mr. Leo.
Madam, I'm happy bye.
Talk in English.
May I come in, Madam?
Come in, come in. How are you?
Nice, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Hare ang sangdasne nang sir. How are you?
Madam, I'm Kaula Nazari Semen.
Go and keep on your seat.
Huh?
Nang sila to English birat garji. Marito pasabu nang selai.
Madam, nang school ko nagarna thangde, mbana pasawgon jeng.
Sir hendeng. How is this? How is this? How is sir hana? You, sabla, stand up. Bung, thirsty crow, thirsty dauka.
Ma'am, सानसेखालि नि बिराद गोबावनि सम अयथासार गोदो गोदायनि सम
Speak in English. This is English class.
Huh?
English ni hun.
Once there was crow. She was very दै गांबायing thirsty very thirsty.
Ma konta beri jalabaयखो. He see it ma bilai.
Ma'am, गेजेराव हाबफैनो नाङा आं बिराद खस्थ'यैसो मोखासथ' लाखादों बेखौ. After very thirsty, here and there was searching water, but not मोनबायing water. Suddenly, she saw was a dehu or tinkly, and the water is very calm. She took some ontapsa and here drop in dehu. There comes up in dehu and dauka drinks and fly. Birlangbay.
Your story is not buying me. What? Moral what?
Moral is morela. न'निफ्राय दैखौ लोंखानानै थांखा.
Sit down. Yes, and you, Mr. Donkey Face, tell ABCD alphabet with words.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Not like that. Tell with words. A for what?
A for Amlai. B for Bodoland. C for Silimala. D for Dokona. E for Enkauri. F for Tangka. C for Gahen. H for Haturki. I for iPhone. J for Junar. K for Kumla.
L for long pen, M for Moita, N for Nangal, O for Opry, P for Pila, Q for Quarter, R for Ruachi, S for Sutur, T for Tractor, U for Ultapani, P for Viral, W for YY, X for Gender, Y for YouTube, Z for Chala béo thang này, có tiền đồ đầu bảo.
You people are don't know anything, wasting your mother father money and also my time. Bloody sweet.
Ma'am, may I go to toilet?